Hello, Wednesday 27th of December. There was a big pile of branches. Ignore this because I've just chainsawed all this down. From here, from there, and from there. Maybe a little bit further on as well. Anywho, I couldn't get this bloody bit of branch out, so I swapped to the chainsaw. But I've probably done about 4 or 5 bucket loads with the grass cutter. Fucking love this chainsaw. Yeah, picking up bits of wire everywhere as well. Anyway, that's my dirty work done for today. I just want to show you something exciting that's been going on down in the bird enclosure. First episode of Egg Watch. Only joking. So Dottie, who's been having a lot of sex, laid an egg overnight, so that's exciting. Apparently they're Muscovy ducks, and they lay... Oh no, she's still there. They lay every day until they got their clutch, and then they sit on them and brood. Talking of brooding, look, Cagney. Cagney's on 2 eggs. So she's been in there all day. And all the others have been dancing around, having a bath, chasing each other. Diego's a little shit. Oi, leave her alone. Oi! It's not like she can fly anywhere with a gammy wing. Anyway, chores done. Kids are happy. Cats are prowling around somewhere. What is he doing? Oh my god, don't tell me he's trying to shag Eva as well. He is! Oh my god, he's so fucking randy. Oi! Stop trying to shag Eva. Hey! Diego! She's not your breed. Hey! Hey! You randy little fucker. Apart from the fact that your penis won't fit. Poor girl. I mean, Dottie's right there. You horny little bastard. Honestly, this duck never fails to amaze me. There's poor little Eva trotting off like, I'm being raped by a duck. First it was a fox attack, now it was a duck attack. You alright, girl? Hey, it's not bedtime, don't worry. It's alright. Don't worry. She's going to a safe space. You alright, girl? She looks like she's about to lay an egg, actually. Did he molest you? It's interesting. Are you alright, girl? She's quite, the white feathers are quite sort of bulbous. Oh god, here comes trouble. So I can tell when her and Cagney were kind of ready to lay eggs. But with Dottie, if you look at her undercarriage, it's just smooth and flat. So there's absolutely no sign that she was about to pop an egg out. See that smooth underneath her tail? Whereas Eva has got this big fluffy undercarriage and big bulgy butt. I think she's about to pop an egg out. Wouldn't that be hilarious? Poor little thing. Oh, maybe. You alright, Eva? Oh. Are you okay? Looks like something's going on. That Diego though, honestly. Can't get enough. Alright, I'm not going to sit here staring at Eva's little egg hole. I am going to go and scrub up and go and run some other errands in the car.